Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Christian County, Northern Stone County, Northern Taney County until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending Aurora to Butterfield and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Billings, Branson West, Clever, Crane, Extreme Southern Springfield, Forsyth, Galena, Highlandville, Marion Woods, Nixa, Ozark, Reed Spring, Rockaway Beach, Sparta and Taneyville. These storms have a history of producing quarter to half-dollar-size hail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: